Defrosting car windows, the cold truth.
Hello, everyone. We're here today to answer an age-old winter question that many of us have pondered. How long does it typically take to defrost car windows without using heat? This is a particularly interesting question, as it pertains to those chilly mornings when you're trying to get to work or drop the kids off at school, but your car windows are frosted over.
Factors influencing defrosting time.
First, it's important to understand that the length of time it takes to defrost car windows can vary greatly, depending on several factors. External temperature is a major factor. The colder it is, the longer the defrosting process will take. Another factor is the humidity level. Higher humidity levels can cause frost to build up more quickly, increasing the defrost time. Finally, the amount of sunlight hitting your car's windows can play a significant role. Direct sunlight can greatly speed up the defrosting process.
The average time frame.
While it's difficult to give a one-size-fits-all answer, for a typical frosty morning where the temperature is around freezing, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, expect it to take roughly 15 to 30 minutes for your car windows to defrost naturally without any intervention. However, this timing can be significantly reduced if the car is parked in direct sunlight or if the external temperature rises above freezing.
Speeding up the process.
You may not always have the luxury of waiting for nature to take its course, especially when you're in a hurry. While using your car's heater is the most common way to speed up defrosting, there are also some DIY methods that can help if you're trying to avoid using heat. For instance, you can prepare a solution of 3 parts vinegar to 1 part water and spray it on your car windows the night before. This can help prevent frost from forming in the first place. To wrap up, the time it takes to defrost your car windows without using heat depends on many variables, including the temperature, humidity, and sunlight exposure. Generally, you might expect to wait between 15 and 30 minutes on a typical frosty morning. Remember, some preventative measures, like the vinegar water solution, can help speed up the process. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay warm out there.